Yeah, this phone has been misbehaving for some time. I don't know what's wrong with the phone. Not being able to do some things on this phone.
You don't know where to go?
I don't know.
You don't know about Mara Digital?
No,
What?
not at all.
So you don't know, you don't have any clue about Mara Digital?
No, I don't. Where is it?
We need to go there.
Oh, what do they do there?
I will show you when we are there.
Okay. Hey, my friend, come and explore with Bolu. I love you. Wow, this place looks so nice, you know?
I know, that's why I brought you here.
Wow.
So basically we're right now in Mara Digital in the third floor.
Okay.
So here you can find all your solutions for your ICT products.
Wow.
If you have any issues with your laptop, PC or phone, so I will show you around and you can see which one you want to choose.
I'm so excited.
Yep.
Let's check around.
Yeah.
Desktop, PC and laptop, free check-in. Wow. So they do free check-in here for the laptop and all that?
Yes, you don't even need an appointment. You can just come in and
Just come in and
yeah.
check with them. Wow. Looks so good. They're okay. Oh, even Asa is here.
This one, they focus on gaming.
Gaming.
PCs. Here you can find SIM cards which have a duration of 4 years, I guess. Yeah.
Wow.
So now we came to the place where I wanted to bring you.
Oh, okay.
Because the great thing about this shop is that students get a special discount.
Oh, wow.
So normally people pay about 200 to 400 ringgit for an upgrade of their laptops and phones.
Wow.
And you as a student need to pay just 50 ringgit.
Wow. And I can repair my laptop, I can upgrade my laptop
Yeah.
and every other thing.
As long as you're enrolled as a student, you just pay 50 ringgit.
Wow.
So it's
That's so
just
affordable.
perfect.
Yeah, it's very perfect and that's so affordable for students.
It's qualitative service for a very affordable price, so it's perfect.
Yeah, that's very.
This is my friend Bolu and I'm Tuche Bolu. And right now we're in the third floor of Mara Digital and we found this lovely shop here. And
Bazaar Belanja.
let's have a look at it.
Okay. Wow. They have very nice stuff here. It's so good. I think I would love to get some of these things.
Oh, this is pretty.
This is so beautiful. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Is it true
Hello.
that this is Bazaar Belanja? Macha da?
Very, very true. Yep. You are in the right place. This is Bazaar Belanja. Oh, anyway, welcome to Bazaar Belanja.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Here in Bazaar Belanja, we try to empower all the social businesses into digital. Yeah, we help them, we assist them, we give them training. In other words, we try to create the greater momentum of ecosystem, social entrepreneur ecosystem. Yeah. Yes, very true. Very. As you can see here, we have a lot of items. We have this is from the cancer survivors items. Yeah, The Tiffin here is also from a social entrepreneur. Same goes with that side. You see just now, yeah.
Wow, the one we just
Yeah.
saw.
You like it?
Very nice.
Ah, good,
I
good.
think
So
I'm gonna
pretty.
get some
This
for
is
my
only a
family.
part of it. There's a lot of things. Whoever want to digitalize their business, they can
Can
come
come
here,
here. Wow.
register here. We give them consultations.
Wow, that's
Yep.
so amazing.
So you basically focus on social enterprises and you empower these people
Yeah.
and support them in their
Yes.
sales.
Yes. Yes.
So this is what makes you unique.
Yes, that's what us so different from the others because we not only think about the money, but we think about the whole system.
And what else you offer these people? Which other benefits they have?
Okay, we as a we work as a community, yeah. So we help each other. For example, like you don't have this raw material, we can help you. That you don't have the knowledge in terms of finance or how to register a company. Everything we try to for free. Yeah. Yes.
I also read something on your website about events that you organize,
Oh
the
yeah,
project.
yeah. It's not only about the product. We also give services like social CSR, yeah, thingy.
Yes.
Like for example, like the previous one is about the blood donation. We do that. We collect the charities. We do donations, everything. Just almost everything under the sun is about the social responsibility. Yeah. Together we grow. Bazaar Belanja is empowered by Yayasan Unity L. Wow.
Bazaar
Bazaar
Belanja,
Belanja,
macam-macam
macam-macam
ada.
ada.
Gift you.